In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device and launch it. Now, tap on those three lines at the top left corner, and from this list select Clean at the top. Then choose Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!